Ionic conditioning for less frizz, more shine. Ceramic technology. 20 Velvety Rollers. 3 color-coded clip and roller sizes. Clean unit with damp cloth only. No other maintenance is required. Do not wrap cord around appliance. Exclusive J-clip for better hold and less creasing. The Remington Ionic Conditioning hair setter uses exclusive thermal wax core rollers to create long-lasting curls. The wax core allows the roller to retain high heat longer and create long-lasting curls and volume. The 20 Velvety Rollers feature ionic conditioning so your curls have less frizz and more shine. 3 color-coded clip and roller sizes allow you to customize your look and cover your whole head. The exclusive J-clips are specially designed to securely hold the roller in your hair with less creasing. The ready indicator light lets you know when the rollers are the perfect temperature for styling, and the cool touch ends make these rollers comfortable to use. Plus, the 2-year limited warranty adds peace of mind. Compared to standard Remington setter without ionic conditioning. Compared to standard Remington metal clips. Top reviews from the United States. Best on the market. A lot of curlers have an indentation where the curlers come in contact with the heating element. These rollers, instead, have a rod that heats each curler individually. I have very fine hair that always gets a crimp from the other kind, so these are the only curlers I use.